lessons. This is second lesson, and in this lesson we'll be learning how to create product images using AI. That's free AI tools. You don't need the paid version. So this is the easiest way so far. Okay, you don't need to. So it's possible for you to replicate any user generated content or review, video, picture, image reviews online. Okay, so I'll just show us how to go about it. Like I said, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. All you need to do is go to a website like this, Pinterest. Okay, when you get to Pinterest, depending on the product you are selling, if it's hand cream, like now um I want to create a product image for hand cream. Okay, but normally you can just type, if you want to get ideas on how to create product images for your own product, you can just type things like UGC means user generated content ideas idea no sorry user generated content product images. Okay, so you can just use this. You see what I mean. So if you want to replicate this design, you can do that with your product. If you're using cream, if you're selling cream products or lotions, if you want to replicate any of this, you can do that. So all you need to do, just take a photo, use your phone, take your phone outside where there is light. You just use any type of phone, no matter the resolution, just use it to take the picture um of that product. Make sure the name is visible, the bottle, everything is visible. Put it on your phone, then come to website like this. Okay, if it's hair cream you're selling, you can just download any of these images just to use as ideas. Just to use as ideas. Basically, you can replicate any of these ideas. Okay, so I want us to use okay, let's see more. I'm just showing us this to let us see how this thing works. Okay, so you can use this as well. You can, if you are selling a hair product, you can use this. Okay, if you are probably selling serum, you can use this. Okay, then you can use this as well. Okay, anything you want to use, you can see that there is no limit to what you can do with AI. Okay, you can use this particular lady. Okay, you can use this. It will look so natural. Okay, so later this week I will be taking us a course, either this week or early next week. I'll be taking us a course on AI prompt engineering. If you want to create anything in your imagination with AI, all you need to know is using the right prompts. There is no image you cannot produce. The difference between those images that look really stiff and artificial and those that look natural is just prompting. Okay, so learning prompts or learning prompt engineering, how to prompt the AI to give you what you want, is what we call prompt engineering. So maybe later this week or early next week, I'll teach us how to do it. But meanwhile, let's go on with this tutorial. I already have an image in mind. And I have a product I want to promote. So let's just go to ChatGPT straight away. These are the prompts you will use. So you paste this prompt. I'll post this prompt on the comment section of this video. Be my expert graphic and product designer. Save my product on this conversation. So just copy this prompt and take it to ChatGPT like this. Paste the prompt inside ChatGPT and then attach your product. Okay, so this is your product. This is the product we want to advertise. It's quite far away. Okay, here. So let's let it to load. Okay, so you lock it in. So it will analyze the image and give you a response like this. So secondly, you go back to the second prompt. I'll show you this second prompt. Give me the exact prompt to replicate this product advert for my product. Just copy it. Okay, so you will not copy, you only copy this part. Don't put this this description, attach the reference product image is for you. Don't copy that part to ChatGPT, please. Okay, so you're only copying this part. Please take notes. You're only copying this part and you're taking this to ChatGPT as the second prompt. Okay, so you now attach the picture you want, the reference image, that's the picture you want to mimic. Okay, so this is the image. I want to show you the image now. Okay, I want something that is natural like this. So I got this from somebody's page and I liked it. The product is actually a yogurt, so I like the way everything is looking natural. It's not looking like AI generated material at all. Okay, so that is one of the strategies you use. If you don't want your images to look like AI generated at all, go and look for live images or real images, put it into the AI and tell the AI to give you a prompt to generate exactly that image. So that's what we are doing now. Okay, so give me the exact prompt to replicate this product advert for my product. Okay, okay, so it's already giving us a prompt now. So what you need to do is just to copy these prompts. So this is an image. Okay, it's an image, it's not here a video. It's giving us a video script as well, but we'll get to that in the next video. So let's copy these prompts. Okay, let's include the negative prompt. Like I said, always put your negative prompt. So go and always ensure that the AI includes a negative prompt for you. Okay, so let's go and copy it here and edit the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt. Okay, so let's remove the parts that we don't need. The camera is arrow, yes. Vertical, yes. Social media advertisements. Okay, okay, so let's just remove this one. Let's remove these two. So please note those things I removed so that if it gives you a similar result, you will know what to do. Okay, so we're starting here. Okay, so now let's open a new chat and paste these prompts. Okay, so please note that you will copy the prompts like this. You copy the prompts like this and paste it inside a new chat, inside a new conversation, inside ChatGPT. Okay, so let's just paste the prompt here and attach the image of our products. So let's attach the image of our products. The image of our product is here. Okay, okay, so you see that it's looking so natural. Okay, so you can try as many times as you like, and you can also try other AI tools. Let's check Grok. Let's try it using Grok, the same prompts. Okay, so in Grok, just come to ask. Okay, wherever you are, just come to ask. You can get there by just clicking on this new conversation. Just click these two lines at the left hand side, click on new conversation, then paste your prompt here, paste your prompt here, attach your product image, attach your product image, and then let's lock it in. Okay, this one is looking nice too. Okay, it's looking very nice too. Okay, so whichever you like is fine. Either you decide to use Grok or you decide to use ChatGPT. Either ways, but normally I would use ChatGPT because I prefer the image. Okay, but both are nice. Either you use Grok, you can also use Leonardo AI. Okay, but we're not covering that in this lesson. See you.